This is the cheapest hack. We'll hit the buy one get one free. We got some clearance stuff here. We got the buy one get one free. We got the Ryobi days deals, the buy one get one free. Yes, these are new deals just dropped at the stores. The Memorial Day deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Also, don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We got a big section here to cover. Not necessarily just this. We got other sections as well. So let's go ahead and start. All right, so we got the buy one get one free. So you basically start buy that starter kit for $199. This is gonna be the upper tier, the brushless tools, the better batteries actually. And circular saw is a 6.5 circular saw, 3-inch cutoff tool, a pruning shear, a 3/8 impact wrench. You got the hammer drill there to the right. Remember, guys, these are all brushless tools. The stick vacuum there to the right. That is one of the newer tools. I believe that one was there last time we had a Ryobi buy one get one free, but still one of the newer tools. Not everybody has that one, and it is a vacuum. These are the HP batteries. You got 2 4s, 2 amp hour battery, and a charger. Yes, guys, last year we did had, or the year before we did had a 6, a 4, and a 2. Now we just have 2 4s. Still pretty decent deals because they are able to be hacked. Yes. All right, so let's start here. $119 for the circular saw. This is a 6.5 circular saw. Got the cutoff tool valued at $119. Obviously, the higher the price, the best bang for your buck. Like that $149 brushless pruning shear is going to be your best bet on this one. At least the ones that I'm showing you here right now. But yeah, the higher price, the better, because you're going to get more for your money. So definitely check that out. The lower price tools are okay. You're saving yourself about $30 or so. But you know, for the higher end, it's better. You got there's the circular saw and the 3-inch cutoff tool. All right, on this side, this is just going to be a combo for $159. It is impact driver and drill driver. It does come with 2 nice batteries with the gauges and a charger and a bag. So those are pretty decent for the homeowner, for a DIY, even for somebody, a prosumer, somebody that's doing their light duty handyman use. Talking about handyman use, check this one out. This is an 18 gauge brad nailer. This is compatible, guys, with the buy one get one free. This is probably the best tool to get with this combo. So run to your depots, well, if you have this deal, obviously at the depot, and get either the vacuum or that nailer. That's gonna be the best deals, guys. Definitely check it out. And this vacuum is it's for pets, so you guys get the vacuum pets, so it's strong enough for that. And it does have a 99.9% of allergens and 60-minute runtime, all kinds of good stuff on there. All right, talking about the lower tier, the cheaper one. This is the cheapest hack you can get for the Ryobi days. So it is the same thing, buy one get one free. So this is the starter kit. You got 2 batteries and get a free tool. All right, so the tools, you got a sander, a jigsaw, oscillating tool, reciprocating saw, a fan. That's a nice fan. Vacuum. It's a handheld vacuum, an angle grinder, some shears or edge trimmer, and you got the speaker there. So there's a lot of good stuff, a lot of good value on this. All right, so this is the kit. They're both gauged batteries, so you are able to see what's up with the batteries. It is a 4 amp hour and a 2 amp hour charger. All right, let's start here. This is a clamp speaker for $59.97, valued at $59. Shear shrubber. This is the shears for $79, and then $59 for the angle grinder, $69 for the handheld vacuum. Obviously, the higher end products, just like I said before, are going to be the best deals for these hacks. And that's not necessarily the outgoing price on the hack. Remember, guys, you have to put it in the website and do the math in the website so you can know how much you're getting that tool for. All right, so you got the quarter sheet sander, the oscillating tool. These are all going to be your best bet here for these $79 more expensive tools that you're going to get for free. The jigsaw, I would definitely choose one of those 3 on this deal. The fan, yeah, the fan's still a pretty good deal. If you need it, get it. But $59, not the best. Those $79 tools are the best to get that. But I really do like the fans, by the way. The fan, of course, I like you guys, the fans, right? But yeah, the fans are especially battery powered. You can throw those anywhere around your house or shop. Your vehicle, if you don't have AC, you can throw it on your car. Yeah, I've done it before. All right, so 199. This is a newer tool I never seen before. This is a cart dolly slash whatever you want to work table. Yeah, workbench as well. So it is a wood top, so dual functionality. You are able to convert this, and it does have wheels, so you're able to convert it to a dolly, as you guys do see right there, and that is the conversion to a work table. It does have 400-pound weight capacity, all-terrain tires, and dual work heights. So you guys are able to adjust it. All right, so here's another one. This is a Airstrike brand nailer for $109. And then you got a finish nailer here for the 16 gauge finish nailer. Right there, Airstrike. These are not buy one get one free. These are just regular. Got $149 for the 7 1/4 compound miter saw. Now, if you guys think about it, guys, the other hack, you're gonna get that for around that price. So I will definitely stick with the other hack and that nailer, and run down and get them because they're gonna sell out. You guys know how much those nailers are. Those are good nailers. I do have one of those things, and they are well built. All right, so $159 for the 4-tool combo kit. I'll stay away from that one. You can invest yourself in the buy one get one free and probably get yourself some better deal. This is a great item to have. Those wire brushes, we'll go over them in a second. You got the black oxide for $9.97, a 40-piece drill impact set for $9.97, impact driver for $79. Not too bad. Yeah, these are really nice, guys. You're able to put a drill on this thing. You're able to put an impact driver, clean paint, whatever you need to do. You know, these are really nice to use. All right, and this is basically a DIY level toolkit. I would recommend, if you drill more than hang a picture frame in the in the wall. If you do more than that, then that is not the toolkit for you. Definitely not. All right, so you got drill driver and impact driver there. And if you want the drill driver by itself with the battery. All right, $14.97 for the 70-piece and the 22-piece titanium drill bits. Now, personally, I haven't used these before. I used the other one that I showed you guys, but not these. All right, you got the telescopic power scrubber for $119. That's actually pretty good. Pretty good deal on that one. I think I bought it for $159. So, yeah, definitely jump on this one. This one definitely help you, clean all those places where you can't reach. You got a 6-port fast charger for $99. And that is the glue gun there. So, compact glue gun. And then you got the 6-amp hour battery for $99. Not too bad. It is the HP. It does have fuel gauge. And then you got $59 for the drill kit, 3/8, and the multi-size ratchet for $119. This is one of the newer tools, guys. It does come with the different adapters there, so you guys can use it, for like an impact driver, or not like an impact driver, but a driver or different types of sockets. And then you got these. These are the USB lithium. These are the smaller batteries that they got. And they got fans and drills and all kinds of stuff in there for this size of battery. All right, you got the clamp fan. This is $24.98. This was, when it came out, it was like $20. They raised it about $5. It's been like this for like a couple of years already. 23 psi. This is a surface cleaner for $29.97. This is actually pretty nice. Then you got this nice pressure washer hose here, 35 feet. Definitely a great upgrade on those cheaper ones. $199 for the 2000 psi. It's not bad. Not bad for $199. And then you got the power cleaner, 49.6 and from 69. Not the best pressure on this one, guys. Not the best. There's one that's 600 psi. Not that one though. All right, talking about psi, check this one out. This is the newer inflator that they got for the Ryobi. At least newer to me, because I haven't seen this before. But yeah, pretty nice. Check it out. And we got some clearance stuff here for the Ryobis. So this is 135 down from 149 for this miter saw, 7 1/4. So you guys do see this, it's a 7 1/4 miter saw. Got this rotary tool for $90 down from 179 it says. I don't know if it was 179. You got these drawers for $99, worth $119, so that's actually a pretty good deal on that one as well. Guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right here. You guys have a great Memorial weekend. Make sure you guys shop early, guys. Even if you're shopping for Ryobi or Milwaukee, whatever brand you're shopping, make sure you guys shop early because they do sell out. Also, stay tuned. I will be releasing a Milwaukee video either today or tomorrow.